Welcome to Princess Stories for Kids, where magical stories come to life with Princess Anastasia and Princess Atina. Snuggle up and get ready for another wonderful adventure, filled with magic, love, and friendship. Let's journey together to the land of dreams and imagination. One sunny morning, Princesses Anastasia and Atina were walking through their magical garden. Birds were singing, flowers were blooming, and butterflies danced all around. The garden smelled like lavender and roses, and the trees rustled softly in the breeze. Maza, their cheerful puppy, sniffed around happily, exploring every flower. Suddenly, she stopped in front of a big bush, wagging her tail excitedly. "Woof! Woof!" she barked, calling the girls. The princesses ran to Maza. There, between the leaves and branches, they saw a small round wooden door. It was so tiny, only children could fit through. Anastasia and Atina smiled and knelt down. Their eyes sparkled with curiosity. The door seemed to whisper a magical invitation. A secret world was waiting just for them. They crawled through the door and entered a dreamlike place. Flowers sparkled, and glowing lights floated in the air. A warm golden glow filled the meadow. Even the wind hummed a magical tune. Maza followed them, eyes full of wonder. In the center of the clearing stood two beautiful suitcases, one pink and one green. Each had a golden letter A on it. The suitcases glowed gently, waiting just for them. The air felt full of excitement. The princesses stepped closer, hearts beating fast. Anastasia reached for the pink suitcase and smiled. "This one feels like mine," she said. Atina picked up the green one. "It reminds me of grass and flowers," she giggled. They gently opened the lids. Warm light glowed from inside. Maza wagged her tail joyfully. Inside the suitcases were magical wands. Anastasia's wand was pink and sparkled like a star. Atina's wand was light green and warm to touch. Tiny notes read, "For love, for light, for kindness." The wands moved gently, like they recognized their owners. That moment made them true magical princesses. They're real, and they're ours. Atina smiled. "It's time to use them for love and friendship," Anastasia added. Maza barked with joy. Sunlight touched their wands and made them shine brighter. Sparkles floated all around them. It felt like a dream, but it was real. Suddenly, they heard a gentle voice. "Girls, it's getting late, time to come home." The sky turned pink and purple as the sun set. Anastasia and Atina looked at each other and nodded. They glanced once more at the magical meadow. "We'll come back," whispered Atina. Hand in hand, they began their walk back. Back in their cozy castle, the girls tucked into bed. Maza curled up beside them, quiet and happy. Anastasia and Atina whispered, "Good night," as their eyes slowly closed. Shadows of adventure danced on the wall. Their wands softly glowed in the corner. And dreams began to twinkle among the stars.